to find what is the value of n here. This is sum of first n natural number. We don't know what number it is, but it is a natural number. This summation getting equal to 666. We want to find the value of n. Write the given part. What is the formula for sum of first n natural number? N into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 is equal to 666, and n into n plus 1 is equal to, taking the denominator portion crossing the equal to sign, it will get multiplied 666 into 2, n into n square, n ones are n, gives you 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 30, 12 3, 1332. Now you will get one quadratic equation. So we will get two solutions here. Now we want to factorize this. N square plus n minus, do this calculation portion in rough column. What is n square? Coefficient 1. N coefficient is also 1 here. This is constant term. When you doing factorization method, you want to multiply the coefficient of n square and the constant term. 1 into minus 1332 is minus 1332. You want to find two number whose addition gives you 1. If you multiply the two number, you are supposed to get minus 1332. You want to find such two numbers right now. So I am doing prime factorization for 1332. This is a even number ending with 2, ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and all even numbers. So here 2, 6 times 12, remaining 6 times, and again 6. If you divide again by 2, you will get 3, 3, 3. If you divide this by 3, you will get 1, 1, 1. This will be divided by 3 again, and this is 3 times, 7 times. 37 is the prime number, so 37. This is 1 time. Okay. Now you want to find two number whose addition gives you 1. Okay. What the two number now? 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 9 4s are 36. Here you have 37. 36 and 37 having difference 1. So 36, 37. Now you want to subtract these two, but if you retain as such means it understand in the way that you are adding these two, but you don't get 1. You want to put subtraction sign for 36 or 37. If I give subtraction here means if I subtract this, I will get minus 1, but I want to get 1. So greater number supposed to be plus here, smaller number you want to put negative sign, then only you will get positive 1. And if you multiply, this is prime factorization numbers, no, if you multiply this, you will automatically get 1332. Anyways, doing multiplication, you will get this negative sign. So how to write in normal way? This quadratic equation now can be written as n minus 36 n plus 37 equal to 0. This product gives us this quadratic equation again. Now you know that n is a natural number, so this is one number. Here also n is a natural number, add with the one natural number, you will again get back one natural number. So this is one number, this is one number. Doing multiplication to natural number, you are getting answer 0. Is this possible? Yeah, this is possible only if either one number is 0. Indirectly says that either one must be 0, so that this product gives you 0. So n minus 36 equal to 0, or no need to put brackets here also. Here you can directly write n minus 36 equal to 0, or n plus 37 gives you 0. There are two options right now. N gives you 36, n equal to minus 37. What we said, n is a natural number. N can be negative? No. So it is not possible since n is a natural number. Therefore your n value is 36. Okay, you are getting to n value, but it is not possible because n is a natural number. So n equal to 36 is your answer. Now second problem. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to k equal to 325, then find 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube goes on up to k cube. This is ask you to find, and this is given part. Take the given part first. Sum of first k natural number. It is a variable, no, you can, it is a natural number. Instead of that you are using some variable because we don't know what natural number it is. So usually we denote by n, here they denoted as k. What is sum of first k natural number? In the place of n you are replacing by k, k into k plus 1 whole divided by 2. Equal to 325. Now again k into k plus 1 equal to 325 into 2. Taking this denominator portion, crossing the equal to sign, you will get multiplied. It will get multiplied. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, and this is 6. Now k square, k minus 650 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. You will get two solutions for this. Now you want to do factorization. K square plus k minus 650. What is the coefficient of k square here? 1. What is the coefficient of k is? 1. Now 1 into minus 650 gives you minus 650. You want to find two numbers whose addition gives you 1, whose product gives you minus 650. Do prime factorization right now. So it is ending by 0. You can use by 5 table. Divide this by 5 table. 1 time, 3 time, 0. Again I can use 5 table. 2 time, 36 time, and this is 2 time, 13. 13 is a prime number. Okay. Now observe this clearly. 5 5s are 25. 13 2s are 26. 25 25 gives you difference 1. So 25 26. Here it is positive, no? So smaller number supposed to have negative sign. So minus 25 plus 26 gives you 1. This product, again this is prime factors, no? Product gives you minus 650. Now this quadratic equation can also be written as k minus 25, k plus 26 equal to 0. So this is two number. While doing multiplication, it gives you answer 0. Then either one must be equal to 0 or both. Okay. Now k is equal to 25 or k is equal to minus 26. So this is a negative number, but from the given information k is a natural number, no? It is not possible, since k is a natural number. So your k value is 25. Now what is the value here? 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube goes on up to k cube. In the place of k you can substitute 25 cube. Now the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, the whole square, no? 25 into 26 whole divided by 2 power 2, and this is 1 time, 3 time, 25 into 13, 3 5s are 15, 5 2, 5, 12, 3. 325 to the whole square, and now this answer is 105625. Now third problem, given us 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube goes on up to k cube gives you 44100. Then find the value of sum of first k natural numbers. Now take the given part. 3 cube goes on up to k cube equal to 44100. Now what is the formula here? K into k plus 1 whole divided by 2 whole square, which gives you 100. Now this also can be written as, actually this is 20, because 441 is actually 21 square, and this is 100, no, 10 square. It is getting multiplied here. So we can directly write 210 whole square. Taking square root on both sides, what will happen? k into k plus 1 by 2 whole square, 210 whole square, taking square root on both sides, it will get cancelled. So k into k plus 1 whole divided by 2 equal to 210. Taking this denominator portion acrossing the equal to sign, then you will get 420, and actually this is k square plus k minus 420 equal to 0. Now you want to do prime factorization for 420 minus 420. So you want to get minus 420. You want to find two numbers whose addition gives you 1, whose product gives you minus 420. So 420 in 2 table, and this is in 3 tables 70 times. Again you can use 2 table 35, 5 table 7 times, 7 is the prime number 1. So you want to find two numbers, no? You will find some combinations over here. 2 to the 4, 4 3s are 12. And what is 5 7s are? 5 7s are, you will get 35 here, but that's still equal to the combination because you want to get 1, no? So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 7 3s are 21, remains 20, 21. If you give negative for the small number, you will get 21 minus 20 is 1 and product gives you minus 420. This quadratic equation can also be written as 4 minus 20 k minus 20 k plus 21 equal to 0, k minus 20 equal to 0 or k plus 21 equal to 0, k equal to 20 or k equal to minus 21. So this cannot be possible. This is not possible. Since k is a natural number. So therefore k equal to 20. After finding k value, you want to find this answer, no? 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to 20. Sum of first 20 natural number. 20 into 21 by 2. And this is 10. Your answer is 2, right? Now fourth problem. How many terms of the series p cube goes on up to should be taken to get sum double zero. How many terms of the series should be taken to get the sum? This. If you add this all the sum, you are getting solution this. But you don't know where you want to stop this summation. So the question actually be written as so the question in mathematical form, sum of first I don't know what number I am stopping over here. That is your question, how many terms you are taking. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube goes on up to n cube, giving your answer 40,400. You want to find after where you have stopped. This is summation. So this formula gives the n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 whole square is equal to 1440. So 144 actually 12 square, no? And this is 100. So this also can be written as square. So now n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 whole square, 120 whole square, taking square root on both sides. Square and root get cancelled, the square and root get cancelled. N into n plus 1 whole divided by 2 equal to 120. N into n plus 1, taking this denominator 2 to the right hand side, you will get 240. Now n square plus n, taking this 240 into left hand side, minus 240 equal to 0. If you want it, you can write one more step also. N square plus n is equal to 240. Then you can write this step also if you want. Or you can directly write it also. Now you want to do factorization for this n square plus n minus 240. Now what is the coefficient of n square? 1. Coefficient of n is 1. Now 1 into minus 240 is minus 240. You want to find two numbers whose addition gives you 1, whose product is supposed to give minus 240. So 240, 2 times 120, 2 times 60, 2 times 30, 2 times 15, 5 times 3, 3 times 1. So you want to find some combinations. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 15, 16. Give negative signs to the smallest number because you are having positive here. 16 minus 15 gives you 1. But and then you will get the product minus 240. Rewrite this given factories, given quadratic equation has n minus 15, n plus 16 equal to 0. Two number, while doing multiplication you are getting 0, then either one must be 0. N minus 15 equal to 0 or n plus 16 equal to 0. N equal to 15 or n equal to minus 16. The same reason you want to write here. It is not possible since n is a natural number. It is not possible since n is a natural number. Therefore, n value gives you 15. So, how many numbers you are summing up? Sum of cube of first 15 natural number gives you 14400. Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm up to 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with this square papers? So, Rekha having 15 square paper, one square paper side is 10, another square paper side is 11 and up to 24. And how much area can be decorated means you want to find area of each square paper and add it. So, what is the area of first square paper? 10 square. What is the area of second square paper? 11 square. Adding up to 24 square. So, this is square of first 24 natural number, but we are not starting from 10 to 24 is here. So, square of first 24 natural number, subtract square of first 9 natural number. Now, what is the formula actually? N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6, no. So, in the place of n, here it is 24, 25, 49 by 6 minus and 9 into 10 into 19 whole divided by 6. Now 6 table 1 time, this will become 4 time. This is actually 5 time 3 and 3 table, this is 3 time. 25 4s are 100 and this is 0 double 0. And what is 19 into 15? So 9 5s are 45, 4, 9, 1, 5, 285, 285. Now what is your answer? 00, 285. So this will become 8, 9, 10, 5, 1, 6, 4. Therefore 4615 centimeter square. This is area now. How much area can be decorated? Area can be decorated with this color papers.